stunning 4-bedroom 3.5B home in the gated community of Madison Lakes. Located on a large community lake, this home is a must-see. Open floor plan with views of the lake and a spectacular kitchen with large granite island. Stainless appliances. Separate dining room that will accommodate large family gatherings. Kitchen is open to the great room with stone gas fireplace. Screen deck and covered deck off the kitchen. Beautiful hardwood floors, custom millwork, and many upgrades. Master on main level with ensuite, 2-bedroom, 2 full baths and half bathroom for your guests. Laundry room with sink. Terrace level has a great room, entertainment room, large bedroom, and full bath. Plenty of storage space. Additional area stubbed for second bath on terrace level. Walk out to a covered patio and enjoy the lake view. Total of 4,212 square feet heated space plus 1,112 square feet unfinished.